Want to temporarily deactivate your account on Facebook, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Now let's get started. To deactivate your Facebook account, first open the Facebook app. Then tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Tap Accounts Center. Select Manage Accounts. Then tap Manage next to your Facebook profile. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. Select the profile you want to deactivate. Select Deactivate Account, then tap Continue. If prompted, enter your password for security verification. Indicate the reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then tap Continue. Review the options presented that you can do before or instead of deactivating your account. You can also choose if you want your account to automatically reactivate after 1 to 7 days, or not automatically reactivate if you'd prefer to manually reactivate it at a later time. Then tap Continue. If you want to keep using Messenger while your account is deactivated, tap the checkbox labeled Continue using Messenger. Finally, tap Deactivate Account to finish the process. Your account will then be deactivated and you'll be logged out. If you've opted to have your account reactivate after a set number of days, it will automatically reactivate after that amount of time has passed. To manually reactivate your account, simply log back into Facebook using the email address and password for the account you've deactivated. That's all it takes to deactivate your Facebook account. Want to permanently delete it instead? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.